This video will explain the characteristics related to our ninth example. In this example, there are a total of 20 separate jobs consisting of 52 operations. Each job consists of multiple operations, and there is a precedence relationship within each job that is within itself. There is no sequential precedence relationship between different jobs. It is assumed that no setup preparation is necessary for the machines before operations begin, meaning the setup time is negligible. In the example so far, it was assumed that the jobs and machines were ready in the production environment as soon as planning started. However, in this example, some operations require certain raw materials to begin. We will examine two situations: when it's not in the warehouse or when it arrives a certain time after the planned date. Let's illustrate this situation with a simple example. For example, let's say job number 1 consists of 3 operations and 5 units of the relevant part have been ordered. For the first operation, 5 units of raw materials A and B are required each. For the second operation, 5 units of raw materials C are needed again. Let's assume that a K pattern is needed for the third operation. Let's assume there are 3 units of raw material A, 11 units of raw material B, and 2 units of raw material C left in the warehouse. Let's assume that the K mold is also ready for use. First, this situation will be reviewed in Dynamo Plus planning. As a second scenario, it is assumed that the missing raw materials will arrive after the planned start date, and the mold is the state to which it will return in terms of maintenance will be considered.